Looking for the ultimate wireless earbuds experience? Today we're unboxing and reviewing the brand new Apple AirPods Pro 3. Let's dive in. First thing you notice is Apple's signature minimalist packaging. Clean, white, and extremely premium. Inside the box, we find the MagSafe USB-C charging case, the AirPods Pro 3 earbuds, multiple foam ear tip sizes, and the Quick Start Guide. The case and earbuds together are extremely compact and lightweight, making them easy to carry and wear all day. The new foam-infused ear tips come in 5 sizes to ensure a perfect fit, combining comfort with passive noise isolation. The biggest upgrade is the active noise cancellation, 2x better than previous Pro models and 4x more effective than the original. Background noise virtually disappears. Additional features include a built-in heart rate sensor for workouts, IP57 water and sweat resistance, and live translation for multilingual conversations. One full charge gives you up to 8 hours of listening with ANC on, more than enough for a day of use. Overall, the AirPods Pro 3 deliver next-level earbuds performance, premium feel, superior sound, and feature-packed functionality. A must-have for anyone seeking the ultimate wireless audio experience. Thanks for watching.